Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from the title of this video, I'm going to show you guys how to invest. Well, I'm actually going to be trading, but how I plan to trade with only $100. Trading and investing are not the same, and I know some people use them, interchangeably, whatever that word is, but that's another story for another day. Now, I'm not going to give you a line-by-line, step-by-step how-to guide on how to invest the $100. I'm starting a new series on this channel where I open a brand new brokerage account, deposit $100, and make that money work. And I'll be doing that by trading stocks and stock options. So my goal is to reach $1,000 by the end of the year. Oh, and I will not be adding any additional funds to this account. So this is going to be the only formal sit-down video for this series. I plan to make a short update video at the end of the trading week, which is normally Fridays. And in that video, I'll just be letting you guys know how the account is doing and any activity that's been going on. So if I've made any new trades, if I've sold out of anything, and pretty much that's it. So I've already created the account, deposited the $100, and Mr. Franklin is already at work for me. So I'm just going to update you guys with the current positions, and then you can go on about your day. To start, I bought one share of SBE for $34.98. It's currently in a stage 1 position, and I'm looking to profit about 40%. Next, I bought 2 shares of IMVT for $16.53 a piece for a total of $33.06. I'm looking to profit 100% on that trade. It is extremely undervalued and has a lot of room for upside. My last trade was with MBRX. It's a biotech company that is also extremely undervalued. I bought 7 shares of it for $4.51 each, for a grand total of $31.57. I'm looking to double my investment on this trade as well. I thought this next part was really important to add into this video. For this challenge, I guess you can call it, I'm only trading with $100, but I'm trading it and treating it the same way that I do my accounts that are worth thousands of dollars. And it's the same way I will trade my accounts once they're worth hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars one day. So the first thing is that I put the money into the stocks using my own fundamental analysis and my own technical analysis. Because of that, I'm confident in my trades and I'm able to take the emotions completely out of it. So if one day it goes down 5%, I'm fine. If the next day it goes up 15%, I'm fine. I've set my target and that's what I plan to reach. You can't predict the market, but you can follow the patterns of the market. The second thing I have to add is that if you look at my position size for all 3 trades, they're all about the same, between 31 to 35%. Ever heard of the saying, don't put all of your eggs in one basket? Well, it's basically the same concept as that. When you're trading stocks, your position size should be about the same 90% of the time. But yeah, I thought this would be a fun series for people that are new to the market, or maybe don't have that much money to get started up front, or they have enough money but they don't want to risk too much because they don't know what they're doing. Let me know in the comments what you think of this idea, and if you're excited for it or if you think I should add anything else to it. That's all I got for today, so I'll see you guys next week. So the dogs are just sitting on the floor watching me. They've been wanting to get up on the couch with me so bad, but I didn't let them because I'm trying to film this video and they're always all up in my face. So I'm gonna call them over here now and they're gonna get so excited. Hopefully they don't knock this camera over. Sugar probably will. Not yet. She probably will, so I'm gonna move it over. So let's see. Yes. We just got back from a walk, so they still got their leashes on. You still got your leash on, Mama? I guess Samson doesn't care. He just wanted to get comfortable. But yeah, peace.